Montpelier Branch Library, and I hope the beginning of our video has inspired you to get your engineering on and that you are excited to make a paper roller coaster. Just want to go over a few things. You come on down to our library and you'll get a kit that looks just like this. I've included 3 marbles because they will go flying and it's good to have 3. But if you have more at home, I suggest you guys try that too. In your kit, you will find plenty of paper and instructions. What you need to do is have scissors, and I highly recommend a ruler because there's a lot of creasing and folding to make your paper roller coaster. And of course, lots and lots of tape. So when you start out your roller coaster, you're going to make columns that support it right here. And so you're going to take your ruler, and this is where you line it up. There are lines on here that are dotted, and that's the ones that you want to crease. So you're going to line it, just follow all the way down and make a solid crease. And you're going to continue that all the way down. Now, this particular column takes 4 creases. And when you take your ruler, you just scooch it down and crease it so it just kind of looks like different lines. And that is the beginning of your paper roller coaster. And of course, you'll take your tape it several places, and it'll be the first sturdy part of your roller coaster. There are some rules right here, not rules, helpful hints. Build up from the bottom. Don't try to create your paper roller coaster from the top on down. You need to make sure your structure is solid and have fun with it. When you look at your other pieces in your kit, the dotted lines are ones where you need to crease, and the solid lines is where you will cut out. Now this is the dividing factor, just like I have up here on this, and where you're going to crease and tape. Here is an example of a loop. It takes a lot of cutting, but when you watch that loop around at the very end of the marbles, that was really cool. To seeing your creations, come on down and show us a picture of your paper roller coasters, and we hope we sparked your imagination. See you next time.